Did you know that the dodo bird was not just a flightless wonder, but also an extraordinary example of evolution gone awry? Native to Mauritius, this fascinating creature stood about 3 feet tall and weighed around 23 kilograms. With no natural predators, it had little fear and became quite unbothered by humans, unfortunately leading to its extinction in the late 17th century. The last confirmed sighting was in 1662. It's often viewed as a symbol of human impact on nature. Interestingly, dodos were related to pigeons. So next time someone calls you a dodo, remember they're referring to an extinct icon who couldn't fly but still left a big mark on history.